Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see yet another very delicious and interesting prawn recipe, and it's prawn butter masala, which is so good to enjoy with jeera rice or even with hot steamed rice, and it's so rich and delicious, or with naan roti also. So friends, let's get started with this yummy recipe, which is one of my favorite. And here I have taken 12 medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined with tails intact, and now I'm going to marinate them by adding the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, a pinch of red chilli powder for some spiciness, and around 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now mix all the ingredients well, and we will let the prawns rest for about 10 minutes. Next, heat a pan, and into it I will add a small cube of butter. And as the butter melts, we will add the marinated prawns into the pan, and on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown from both the sides. We'll add now a teaspoon of butter more so that the other side is also well sauteed golden brown. We'll flip the prawns after about 30 seconds and we'll fry the other side for another 30 seconds. And by now the prawns are fried golden brown from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same pan we'll add some more cooking oil, and when the oil is hot we will add one large onion which has been roughly sliced. Then goes 4 large garlic pods, 1 small piece of ginger, and 2 medium tomatoes. And now on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown. And once they turn golden brown in color, we will add now around 1 tablespoon of broken cashews and 1 tablespoon of melon seeds or magaj. We will saute this for another few seconds. Alright, this is done, and now we'll allow this to cool down slightly and then grind it into a smooth paste. And this is the fine paste which is ready to be poured in the pan. We will stir this for a while on medium flame. And now we'll quickly season it with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, around 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade Garam Masala powder. We'll mix the spices well for a few seconds until they are well combined. And now we'll add some water to form a gravy-like consistency. Give this a mix. And now time to add the fried prawns into the gravy. We'll coat the gravy with the prawns so that they can absorb all the flavors. I'll add some more water as the gravy has turned out very thick. We'll mix this once. And now we will cover and let the prawns simmer in the gravy for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's almost 3 minutes now, and our prawn gravy is almost ready, rich and thick. And before turning off the flame, I will add a small bowl of fresh cream and some crushed kasoori methi leaves. Gently mix this once. And friends, our prawn butter masala is almost ready to be served hot. But before serving, I will give a buttery tarka to our prawn butter masala. For that, heat a tarka pan and into it goes a small cube of butter. Next goes some ginger cut into thin long strips. Turn off the flame now. Then goes a green chilli, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and few chopped coriander leaves. Mix this once and our tarka is also ready. And friends, here goes our rich and delicious prawn butter masala on the serving plate. And on top, I will pour the flavorsome butter tarka, which will further enhance the flavor of our prawn butter masala. So friends, I hope you'll try this yummy and delicious prawn recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and delicious recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.